Hello life hackers, I'm on my rooftop carrying my backpack ready to go. So that way is the ocean, there is the sail like something on that bridge, and that direction is the highway number 3. So today what I want to talk about today is it's been raining lately a lot, isn't it? So I want to share a life hack of a raincoat I've been using. Adisy brand, very popular Taiwan sportwear brand, and this coat is nice, awesome coat. Hello Mr. Dave, welcome to my stream. So I'm talking today about the raincoat, right? I use maybe for last 2 years. When it's raining, right, we always have to put on something to protect, to not get wet, and ooh, they are troublesome. Some of them are very hot, some of them are uncomfortable and all that. Those cheap ones in 7-Eleven, they're just not big, small, but still it's a waste of money. If you buy that, you're probably going to use it not more than once. So this coat is awesome in a sense, right? I don't remember how much it cost, but I think about $600 NT. So I'm wearing my backpack, right? This coat is very loose. It's not tight at all. It's very easy to put on. I'm going to put it on right now. Ta-da! Oops. Done. A little effort to cover your backpack. Okay, so I'm not riding, sorry, let me make sure my microphone, the sound, dun dun dun, wow, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, can you hear me? Alright, so, yeah, maybe if you're driving a motorcycle, right, the speed is very fast. See, the sleeves here, they're very short, and they are very loose. So on big, when you drive fast, if you're riding a motorcycle, it might be a problem. But then you can be smart and just use clips. Maybe you can use these clips, just clip it, so and so on. Oops. My mic fell down. So it's like a tent. Yeah, no, not really. It's not really like a tent, but it's really comfortable. Thank you for your feedback. So it's really comfortable. It's the best I ever had in so many years in Taiwan. It rains a lot here, right? This is the best I ever had. Adisy, very popular store, sportswear, and yeah, when you wear it you won't feel hot or sweat. I use many different raincoats, and they usually make you feel hot right away. So also it's big. Yeah, it can cover your backpack. It can, see, it has little like what is it, blinder here. This is awesome raincoat. I recommend. Look at it, guys. Yeah, look at it. The best quality what it gives you is you won't feel hot. You won't feel sweat at all. It's perfect for bicycle. I'm riding an e-bike, not that fast, so it's perfect for me. It works perfectly. Okay, it's not raining now and I'm starting to feel a little hot, so I will take my raincoat, awesome raincoat off. Give me a sec. Whew. Yeah, $600 and it will serve you for a long time if you take care of it, dry it all the time. Just after you get back home, hang it to dry and all that. Oops. So typhoons are gone. Yeah, there is no any typhoon here, but it's pretty cloudy and it's drizzling occasionally. I showed this one before, I suppose, but I want to show this one again. Same brand, Adisy, and this is for cover your face from sunshine, right? It's designed for the baseball cap. Perfect. When I go out, I usually wear it to cover my face from the sunshine. Sunscreen first, definitely. Guys, if you don't want to look older than your age, use sunscreen. It's important here in Taiwan. Yeah, it's nice. Very peaceful and calm. The sea is very calm. Maybe I should change direction back to the sea. Yeah, the sea is in that direction. Yeah, that's the seal-like monument on that bridge. And if you can see, there are windmills. This one is near here, the nearest windmill here. What I heard that these windmills, they supply power for the local factories. Yeah, and there are lots of them in that direction. Maybe you can't see, but on the pictures, you can see them in pictures. I always post in my group. Day-to-day Zhunan in pixels, my group, my YouTube channel, Sound Edward, where I post ESL learning songs. Like nowadays I'm posting songs for Father's Day, which is coming on August 8th. If you need, please take a look. There are links, lyrics and all. So yeah, that's what I want to share today about this awesome raincoat. It folds into this small bag. If it's raining, I usually carry it with me in my e-bike back pocket.